Hey guys, for today's video I'm going to be doing an updated what's in my purse. So this purse is from Stitch Fix. I absolutely love it. I love how big it is. And I also tied a 5 Seconds of Summer bandana on it, on one of the straps. So now let's get into the purse. So there are two bigger compartments, and in the middle there is a zipper pocket that's a big pocket. And then there's a smaller zipper pocket in the back. For the two smaller pockets, I like to keep first some tissues. This one is from Clorox, I think. And then I love this one because it has two little sides of tissues, and I think it's so nice. And then in that same small pocket, I keep my ear pods. I want to also get kind of like a case for my ear pods because I don't have one. And that probably is a good thing to have. So next, in the same small pocket, I keep my phone. And then in the big pocket, I have my sunglasses. I love these sunglasses. These sunglasses are literally my favorite. I don't think I've ever used another pair of sunglasses after I got this one. Then we're going to go into one pouch. This one is just full of miscellaneous stuff. The first thing that we have is a hair tie. I only use scrunchies, so I just have one scrunchie in the pouch. Then I have 3 lens wipes just in case if my glasses get dirty. And then I have a pair of backup contacts just in case. And then I have a comb. I don't really like this comb, but I just keep it in my purse. And then I have the Bath & Body Works hand sanitizer. This one is, I think, the apple scent, and I have a burrito case with it. I think it's so cute. I absolutely love it. Next we have a sriracha packet. I normally keep that in there. And then we have a Band-Aid just in case. I normally only have like a couple, but this time I only had one. Next, we have a metal straw in the little case. I keep this in my purse just in case if I didn't get a straw from a fast food restaurant. And then another pouch. This one is more for cosmetic stuff. First, we have a mirror. I got this one from Sephora. This is a double-sided mirror, which I really like. Next, we have an EOS lip balm. This one is in Champagne Pop. Then we have a lotion. This one is from Estee Lauder, and I absolutely love the smell of this one. It's so nice. And then I have a bigger size of it. I just keep this one in my purse because it's nice and small. Then we have another one. This is the Gold Bond Healing. Then we have the Baby Lips from Maybelline lip balm. Then we have a nail file case. I keep 2 in there. A small one, the roll from a Kiss nail set. I have a small one and an even smaller one. This one is from the Press-On Nails set. Now let's go into this one. This pouch is more of feminine products. I'm not going to go into detail in that back pouch, but next we're going to go into the second big section. The first thing I have is another pouch. This one is just for pencils, so I can, I also have a notepad in there, so I can just write stuff down. So I have a lot of writing utensils. So the first thing is I have 2 colored pencils because I just like to kind of highlight things or underline things. This one's blue and then a yellow one. And then we have a pen that is has Las Vegas written in different fonts. Then we have a pencil, then another pen. This one is a pink one. Then we have a pen. And then this Sharpie I got from the 5 Seconds of Summer merch shop. And I absolutely love it because it says 5 Seconds of Summer on the Sharpie, which I think is really cool. And then we have another pencil, and then the lead to go with the lead pencils. And then I have a notepad. I normally use Notion for my notes, but sometimes I do like to have um, it written down on paper. Now we have a little like wallet that you can hook up to a little thing on the purse. And then I do sometimes use this wallet on the go. If I don't want to bring my entire purse, I can just use this kind of wallet. And I really, really like it. It's really nice. But I can't fit my phone in, which is annoying, but it's okay. Next we have my house keys. I also have some really nice keychains with my house keys, which I think is really cool. I really like a lot of them on the keychain. I forget to mention in the clip, I keep in the small zipper pouch, I keep a jewelry bag just in case if I want to take off any of my jewelry, if I'm like swimming or doing things that I don't want to lose my jewelry or to break. In the middle big zipper pocket, I like to keep a shopping bag. This one is from 5 Seconds of Summer. This is the safety pin tote bag, and I just like to keep it for when I'm going shopping. So I hope you all enjoyed today's video and see you guys in the next one. Bye!